Malad, am I audible, Malad? Malad, am I audible, Malad? Malad, am I audible, Malad? Malad, I can't. I'm unable to hear, Malad.
Going to file before the London Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate, Port Blair, within a short period. No case is made out due to the lack of evidence, could not be traced out, and number is different by which the text was circulated. It is the instruction of the investigation agency.
Yes,
It is the position.
so Chaudhary,
Malad,
can you hear me?
Yes, Malad. And now I can hear your lordship, Malad.
I'm not able to
Malad,
hear you.
I was unable to hear my learned friend. Malad, I had already placed the
I
case before your lordship.
Chaudhary, I can't hear you.
Malad,
From-
Malad, am I audible, Malad? Malad, kindly pass it over for some time, Malad. Bolo pass over korte. Malad,
Rejoin. Try to rejoin.
lordship.
When are you filing your final report?
Within a short period, Your Honor. It is ready. Within a week, it is going to be filed before the London
We'll keep it on next Wednesday. You file it before that. You
Lordship.
can close this.
Lordship.
Wednesday, we'll keep it. Not today, Wednesday.
Lordship.
You file your final report.
Lordship.
Report that, we'll finish it off.
Lordship.
Wednesday. Next Wednesday. Next Wednesday, yeah?
Obliged.
Not today.
Your Lordship, in this matter, I pray for your pass.
Yes, what happened?
Lord, I'm appearing for the respondent number 3. Madam.
Yes.
In senior counsel, Mrs. Nag is appearing for the appellant, your Lordship.
I am for the respondent number 3, Lordship. One and
Not today.
one and two.
Not today. Item 4.
I am for the respondent,
The
Lordship.
lawyer appears in person.
Lordship.
Is there? He is there. Yes, sir.
There are 3 petitioners for 2. Mr. Jaipal appears.
Yes,
I am personally appearing.
yes.
Lord, I have a detailed complaint was filed,
Yes.
and I am having serious apprehension of my life.
They have filed a report. The report has been filed.
I already filed the report, Lordship.
Yes,
They
please.
prayed for a file exception to the
Mr.
report.
Jaipal has taken time to file the exception to the report.
He has not taken any time. He just appeared yesterday. You were also there.
My lord.
Yes. Where is he?
But The chronology in which the incident has happened has been vividly described in my complaint.
All that has been verified.
Additional filing time was taken for a supplementary affidavit, but because of the
No, sir, I'm gonna close this. No supplementary affidavit.
you know, certain security
Take down the petitioner. And prefer the presented petition. Seeking direction to provide police protection. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that he had suspected threat to his life as well as his petitioner has suspected threat to his life as well as threat to his family. First of all, he has stated that he states that petitioner appears in person and states that he has feared that some unknown person will cause harm to his life as well as to his family members. This court, by an order dated 14/7/2025, had directed the respondent state to file a report in response to the allegations made in the writ petition. This court had further directed the respondents to take necessary steps to ensure safety and protection of the life and property of the petitioner and his family members. In terms of the complaint made by the petitioner, an inquiry was conducted regarding threat perception to the petitioner, Shri Tulsila, who is an advocate by profession. During the course of the inquiry, statements were recorded from his family members and his assistant advocate. It is further stated in the report that during the course of the inquiry, the petitioner was contacted and a detailed inquiry into the matter was conducted, and his statement was also formally recorded. The respondent state had considered all the aspects of the complainant in his letter, and a thorough inquiry was conducted into all the allegations made in the in the letter / complaint of the petitioner. The respondent state had also recorded the statement of his son, namely Mr. Rohit Lal, and his assistant, Ms. Jayesh. Full stop. Additionally, the flight manifest details were also obtained from the special branch CID, Sri Vijayapuram, and all the statements and other details were looked into first. After conducting a thorough inquiry, it has been ascertained by the state that Shri Tulsi Das, the petitioner in person, an advocate by profession, resides with his family at Chidambaram Colony, Basti. Full stop. The report further states that the petitioner had traveled along with his family for his wife's treatment to Chennai on 2/7/2025. The apprehension of the petitioner that he was being followed by some unknown persons which caused concern to his safety was also looked into by the respondent state. Full stop. After the thorough inquiry, the respondent states has concluded that no indication of any threat to Shri Tulsi Lal or his family members is there at Vijayapuram after the conclusion of the inquiry. First, though as a precautionary measure, 2 constables, one each from PS Aberdeen and PS Pahargaon, had been deployed round the clock with Mr. Tulsi Lal to ensure his safety and security. Full stop. Since the inquiry report has clearly brought out the facts that there is no threat to Shri Tulsi Lal or his family members, full stop. There is no further requirement of providing any security to the petitioner herein, full stop. In terms of the report filed by the respondent state after conducting a thorough investigation and concluding that there is no threat perception to the petitioner, there is no need to provide any police protection at this stage, full stop. The petitioner is always at liberty to approach the respondent state in case any threat arises in future. Full stop. With the above, the presented petition is disposed.
Compliance.
But in this matter, Lord, I have inquired with the authorities. The petitioner has not served the copy to the authorities, but even though he has served a copy to me today. And it is a question of claiming money, my lord. He says that he has done certain work and that amount has to be paid. But Is in North and Middle Andaman, Suresh Nagar, Lord.
Where is the admission? You are the petitioner. Where is the admission? Where is the admission that you have carried out the work?
At page 16, Your Honor.
Page
Yes.
16.
Yes.
Show me.
On the reply,
Monthly report and has been
Yeah.
forwarded for
they have
verification.
forwarded the report before the electricity department.
For
Necessary
verification.
necessary verification. The date was forwarded 20 May 2025. The forwarded report is on the next page, Your Honor. That is page 70. 15th April 2024, the concerned authority has forwarded to the electricity department for necessary actions,
Verification.
for necessary verification. And after, even after 1 year, they have not given any reply. There is not any dispute that the petitioner has, with regard to the work allotted by the respondent. The work allotted in the year 2023. Similar and identical matter has been disposed of. Wherein the same parties, only the difference is that there is a Harinagar Panchayat, here is the Suresh Nagar Panchayat. This is the order copy.
The honorable court has directed that one to consider his representation.
Where is the representation here?
Here is at page number 14, Manoj, 28 April 20.
Page number?
14.
Is your representation?
He has made a legal notice.
You appear for the Pradhan.
But it is to be corrected in that order. Is allowed will see it has been corrected through Gram Panchayat. Pradhan is an elected body.
Gram
It
Panchayat.
has to be for the Gram Panchayat. I used to appear. I don't think
So decide his representation.
Where that similar as already to class. Because the issues are same.
Consider his representation. Full stop.
Not one line may be added. Not he has to submit his order copy because he has not served the copy. After the service of the order, that can be considered.
After service of the
Certified copy of this order or this order to be communicated, thereafter it can take this.
take down. The petitioner has prepared the present with petition. Seeking direction to the respondent authority for releasing an amount of rupees 2,27,884 with interest for the construction of them. For the work. Full stop. It is the case, full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that he was allotted AMC for street light repair and maintenance work. By work order number WO/SL/GPSN/GIA bracket general hyphen 2023 22-23 dated 21-10-2022. ये page 14 से लेना यहाँ पे वर्क ऑर्डर मार्क करना 2022-23 hyphen 01 hyphen dated 21-10-2022. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that he had completed the said work. Full stop. He, counsel for the petitioner further submits that despite completion of the said work, the payment have not been released for the payment has not been released even after completion of the said. He states that he had given a legal notice dated 28/4/2025, but the same have not been responded. Learned counsel for the respondent states. You appear for the respondent. Yes. The respondent states that they are ready and willing to treat the legal notice as a representation and decide the same. Learned counsel for the petitioner states that he shall be satisfied if the same is decided within a time bound manner. Full stop. In view of the statement made by the counsel for the parties, this court directs the respondent number one to decide petitioner's representation dated 28/4/2025. Petitioner's legal notice which shall be treated as representation dated 28/4/2025 within a period of
1 month.
within a period of 6 weeks from the date of communication of this order, comma, strictly in accordance with law, comma, after affording an opportunity of personal hearing to the petitioner, comma, by way of a speaking order. Full stop. With the above direction, the presented petition is disposed of. Full stop. So it line down there. Affidavits have not been exchanged of the contents of it.
And this matter and paying for the petition, admit as affidavit of service.
Sir, I will be appearing for the respondent. I did not receive the copy. I request.
Give a copy.
I will take instruction.
This is item number
6. The respondents are from New Delhi, Ministry of Home Affairs.
Give a copy, then we'll have it.
Yes, my lord.
Not today.
No, my lord, it will fix after 3rd.
After third.
Tuesday, Wednesday.
Why?
I'll be out of station, my lord, for one till Monday. Halakalchi.
All right, fourth.
Oblige, my lord.
Not today, keep it up.
Oblige, my lord.
Fourth. Okay, order squat up. Take this. Throw it. You don't need this one. मैडम मेरा लिस्ट है क्या मेरा लिस्ट चला इस पे नहीं, इससे पहले वाले में गया था नहीं है okay. Yes. Which item is this? 6, 7. Yes. So कोई बात नहीं. 7. Item 7. What is it?
Item 7, my lord, mentioning for the writ petitioner. Self-same matter placed before court number 1 wherein direction for affidavit
Where is that order?
was not yet uploaded in the, just be not today, my lord, this matter can be.
Not today.
Okay. Onward 25.
Lordship, item number 8 to 18 related to electricity matter, Lordship.
Yes,
Satish Mishra is appearing,
yes,
but great for fixing all the matter on a Thursday, Lordship.
first.
Thursday, 8 to 18.
Your Lordship, I am filing a service from 9 to 14.
Just a minute, wait, don't be in a hurry, sir. 8 to 18, not today. Mr. Mishra is here. Yes, Mr. Mishra,
Let it be on Thursday.
Thursday, 8 to 18 Thursday.
8 can be disposed.
All right, item 8, just take item 8, learned counsel of the petitioner states that the electricity connection has already been
Okay.
effected upon. He seeks to withdraw the presented petition, the same is dismissed as before.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, for item number 9 to 14, I am filing service.
Lordship, I have received the copy. I am not denying it. Let it be on Thursday. Let me take instruction and come back.
Item 9 to 14, like, affidavit of service is taken on record. Mr. Mishra prays for a short adjournment to seek instruction. Let this matter be listed on Thursday.
Lordship.
एफिडेविट इसको सबको अलग अलग डालो है। सुनो आप
Govinda.
ये एफिडेविट को सब अलग अलग फाइल में डालो 9, 10, 11 8 इसको दो।
रुकिए अभी यार इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है बैठिए
ठीक है
बैठिए और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है
ऐसा 19 में है ना मेरा।
अभी कितना
Victim in this.
Lordship, I for the state
Okay.
appeal for enhancement of the punishment under FOCSO Act.
or not
My
today
plan is pending, your lordship, whereby I have asked for compensation. Because the trial court has not granted.
not today
Thursday, Lordship.
Monday
Monday. Lordship.
not today Monday. This is item number
I think it's like-
90.
ठीक है।
Lord, I appear for the petitioner, my lord. A very innocuous prayer wherein I was, my lord.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, my lord, the bail was granted by this honorable court
Yes,
and there was a condition to meet SHO of PS Hardgaon on
yes,
every alternative days.
yes.
So I have made an application by way of a CRN that instead of PS Pahargaon, let it be PS Aberdeen wherein he stays. And wherein he
Where's the other
works.
side?
I am
For
for
the other
the
side,
Lordship.
we have already served.
Yes.
Lordship, bail was granted, Lordship. Yes, Pahargaon and intends to report in PS Aberdeen. Lordship, can be. But alternative day, because he is a mainlander, he is not a permanent resident of the side.
You appear for the,
State.
State, Lordship.
and where's the private respondent?
There is no private respondent, my lord.
GR case.
Oh,
It's
GR.
a GR case, my lord. At the
Office-
time of granting,
Office
Gopinath, may
under
kindly come to
section 302.
page number
Where's your
10.
application?
Page number 10 may kindly be seen, my lord.
CRM 2.
Yes, my lord. Page number 10, the order of bail.
Just a minute. Your CRM 2 you have moved.
Yes, my lord.
Modification.
Yes, for modification. The last bail. If on bail, he shall appear before the SHO PS Pahargaon every alternative day. So my prayer is that instead of PS Pahargaon, let it be PS Aberdeen, my lord.
Okay, where is your application?
My lord, may kindly come to page number 4, para 7, my lord.
Page number?
4 of my application,
Which application is it? CRM?
CRN 2 of 25.
Can the bail condition be modified? Like this?
Yes, my lord, there is a provision, my lord.
Which?
See, 437, 438, there is a certain condition, but regularly.
No, by the same bench or
But it's not by the same code.
Bail was granted
Not
by
by the
the
same-
Honorable High Court.
just show me the provision.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Kabir, you will tell me.
Lord, kindly,
Yes.
483 subsection 1B.
Conditions can be modified by the, take down, learned counsel for the CRM so and so. The present application has been moved seeking modification of the order dated July 7, 2025, wherein the petitioner was enlarged on bail on the condition that he shall appear before the station house officer PS Pahargaon on every alternate day, and he shall appear before the learned trial court on each and every date of hearing without fail, and he shall not leave these islands without the prior permission of the learned trial. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner has filed the present application seeking modification of the order only to the extent that he shall appear before the station house officer Aberdeen
PS Aberdeen.
instead of PS Aberdeen instead of PS Pahargaon on every alternate day. Full stop. The order is modified to the extent that the petitioner is at liberty to appear before PS Aberdeen instead of PS Pahargaon in terms of the order dated July 7, 2025. Full stop. The rest of the order dated July 7, 2025 will read as it was. Full stop. With the above modification, the present application is disposed of.
Yes, sir. Obliged, Lord.
But I have to look at options. Please, it's in 9 March 2010, the court rule is there. Any matter arising out of content, review, record, modification, clarification will be on to the bench, of which one of the members is not available due to elevation, time and transfer of it, shall be heard by the bench, of which the available judge is a member without reference for constitutional bench.
Then it should go.
But in Andamans, we do not have an assignment, so whichever circuit is coming. Under the.
That's the only reason I thought that I should.
I think there's one rule 4B, that only when the circuit is not in function, then at that point of time, that bench there.
That was the only hesitation I had, whether
That's why I just want to take out the rule to check.
Thank you. CRM 2 disposed of. Huh? Where is he? Only CRM is there, huh? There's some can also. What is a can?
This is actually wrongly listed, I believe. It is a can application in a WP which has been dismissed by this honorable court because the
Last one. All the other application standards. Both is.
Lordship, he is seeking for restoration of his writ petition. I am not coming on the way. Within 30 days, he has filed the application, so let the application be restored.
Take out. The petitioner has filed the present application seeking restoration of the writ petition, which was dismissed by order dated 13 July 2025.
Lordship,
13 June.
13 June 2025. Learned counsel for the petitioner states, for the reason, learned counsel the respondent states that he has no objection to the present application. Full stop. For the reasons stated in the application and the concession made by the learned counsel for the respondent, the present application is allowed. The writ petition is restored to its original position. Application. Can. Writ petition is restored to its original position.
Your Lordship, at this matter.
This is what, which matter is the item?
Item number 22, Your Lordship.
20?
2, Your Lordship.
Contempt.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Day after tomorrow, not today. Any hearing matter where both the sides are here? Both the sides. Kabir, which one is yours?
My lord, I have several matters in the list. I don't see the other side of the other matters.
If you have any matter where both the sides are there,
That's
then
right. One matter we are there, that is 57. My learned friend from the state, the public prosecutor is there. This matter, there is currently an interim order on propose, but that is only till the end of this month. That interim order, whether the matter has to be heard out or the interim order would need to be extended. It's a very interesting point of law. This is pertaining to the Tarawa tribes. Now, over here in Andamans, there's always been this myth that you can't take pictures and videos of the tribes. And this is something everyone knows.
that's what I'm also under the same impression.
But there's a catch here. There are certain regulations which have been there since the British time, since 1876 onwards. These regulations talk about how the tribes are protected, and they're called the Andaman and Nicobar Protection of Aboriginal Tribes Regulations. Now, the catch is you can't take pictures and videos, that is true, and you can't use it with a commercial intent. So you can't take a picture by yourself and upload it or use it in any other way. Now, what has happened here is this particular petitioner is a documentary maker for the government of India. He makes documentaries on various things. There is a Delhi-based company which makes various documentaries on different forces, CISF, BSF, etc. Now, he makes a documentary in which he uses footage obtained from Doordarshan in 1989. Now, in 1989, this particular regulation existed, but the offense didn't exist. Now, in 1989, the Lieutenant Governor, accompanied with his retinue and police officers, they go into the Jarwa forest. They interact with the Jarwa. Doordarshan reporters are there. They take video footage, which is ultimately aired through Prasar Bharati on national television. So it's all in the public domain. In 1989. Now, in 2012, someone puts up some videos of the Jarwa and other tribes as well. The National Commission for Scheduled Tribes takes up the matter suo. So question number one is, the Jarwa are not a scheduled tribe. So whether the National Commission had any jurisdiction to act is question number one. Now they write to the administration here saying someone has put up a video of Jarwa dancing and this is obscene, this is against the law. You please do something about it. This file moves all the way. Finally,
Then they become complainant.
no, now they don't become the complainants. They move this file, which ultimately comes here to the Director of Tribal Welfare. He writes to the Superintendent of Police saying, please do something about it. The Superintendent of Police says, what do you want me to do? Because I don't know where the websites are. I don't know where the material is. So Tribal Welfare provides 99 websites, including Rajya Sabha website, Discovery Channel, National Geographic, Parliament's own websites, because this is something which the documentaries are used and made. So now only in my case, leaving aside the other 99, the police starts an effort. Now in my case, the allegation is sitting in Delhi, I have uploaded content which was recorded in 1989. So the second question becomes, I never came to Andamans. I never shot the video. I never took the footage. This is footage in the public domain with Doordarshan under the aegis of the government itself. What I have done is taken one extract of the video, cut and trimmed it, and put it into my document. Question number 3 is, I did this sitting in Delhi. I never entered the islands. So if I uploaded it from Delhi, where would the geographical jurisdiction lie in terms of 177, 178 of the OCRPs? Certainly not in Andamans. And point number 4 is, I uploaded it to a server which is based somewhere in the United States. So on these 4 issues, a case cannot be made out in Andamans and cannot stand. Point number 5 is, when we see the regulations and the evolution of the law, your Lordship would find, because I did it as part of an academic exercise, and there was no commercial intent, there was no intent to advertise or make money out of the tribes. Therefore, the ingredients of the offenses are missing.
No, the only thing is that the first ingredient, which is complete prohibition or ban on taking pictures, that is something which you have to overcome.
No, the question
You
here
have
is,
not done it. You have not done it. I get it. You will say that I have not done it. It is something which was already existing in the public domain. I have only taken it from there and used it.
No, that's what I'm saying. The question here is that's the myth we've all been laboring under, that you can't take pictures and videos. There is no generalized proposition. The reason being it comes with the rider that you had a commercial intent. So assuming today I go and take pictures and videos, I'm not committing an offense until I have a commercial intent
All right. So it is
to
not.
use it. So what is communicated to your lordship, for example, that you're not supposed to take photos and videos is not entirely accurate. Petitioner to understand.
All right. So we can take picture. It's just that there should not be any commercial intent behind.
Or tourism activities. It should not be connected to tourism.
But for my own personal consumption, I can take it.
Theoretically. Yes, that's what the law says. And I will show you. Kindly sees page 35. It's an extremely interesting proposition of law, and it's something that no one has dealt with in these islands, although these laws have been there since the 1800 somethings and codified from the 50s onwards.
This has not been opened up.
Oh, that is a different story, madam. There should be another copy.
Copy.
Because I have another ground. My other ground is Article 14. My other ground is Article 14. The administration here regularly uploads pictures of the tribes. From page 98 onwards, I've annexed them. From the administration side, whenever something good happens with the tribes, you have pictures like this in the public domain here in the daily newspapers. So the question I ask myself is, why is it a private citizen is faced with different standards and the state and its authorities have different standards? And this is in daily newspapers, administration's website. For example, this time they got the Jarwa to vote. So there are pictures flashed over all the national dailies with the Jarwa, Hongi and Jarwa holding up their voter ID cards. So after this, my lords who heard the matter were of the opinion that Mr. Kabi, since you have collected all these things, now these are sensitive documents, we are going to keep them under seal. Otherwise, we are going to get accused of offences. So, I mean, I actually said that this is quite absurd because these are court records taken from the public domain. My using these on affidavit does not constitute an offense. The lordships are of the view that, listen, we are aware for many, many years now, you can't take pictures and you can't have pictures. So you have pictures in your petition, we are keeping it innocent. But of course, your lordship, I know there is another copy because this copy was placed under seal cover. I can just indicate your lordships from the regulation itself.
Lordship, so many things, Lordship. If can be on the hard on the next week, no problem. I am ready, Lordship. But
Just trying to get a feel of.
Lordship, there are many things, Lordship. As per yes. Just we have to see that directly or indirectly for the purpose, commercial purpose. That has to be seen.
We'll see that next week.
Yes, Lordship.
Let's try to.
Lordship.
I'm not sure whether it will be done or not, but
if it is feasible, I am ready.
So
in the worst case scenario, madam, the interim order that is there because there will be another circuit.
We have to extend there. We'll extend there. So, Kabir, when do you want?
I am at your lordship's convenience.
When do you want?
Next week, Lordship.
Next week, when?
Thursday, Wednesday, or Friday, any day. Lordship's convenience.
Wednesday?
In the meantime, there's the understanding.
I will. On Wednesday, I'll do that.
But
if you are not able to do it, we'll extend it. All right. Rest of the matters.
Lordship.
So tomorrow, I guess there's no law. That's what I'm talking.
There's a slight mismatch between the administration's holidays and the Calcutta holidays. Because here we follow a different calendar and schedule. So tomorrow everything is closed. Lower court, everything else.